face of a billabong. A very clever dingo caught a wombat. He decided to make wombat stew. Wombat stew. Gooey bluey, yummy chewy wombat stew. Today we're going to make Dingo Damper. It will look like this.
I can see that.
Dingo Damper. Put flour in the bowl. Done? Now, this is coconut sugar and this is salt, so add it in. Now add the milk in. Oh, so that looks like. Ooh, mix. It's kind of I'm kneading it with my hands. I want to mix it before I turn it into a ball. Lift it up. Oops. Lift it up. That's the white. Every single ball. Done. You see that Dingo Damper? It's going to turn into black. We're going to flatten it a little bit. Like Dingo Damper. I'm going to wash my hands off. Oh, my sticky fingers. Put it in the oven. I'll catch you in the kitchen soon when it's done. No, not ready.
Go.
The damper's ready. That's the favorite blob of dough. Now I'm just getting the damper out. Hold on, till one left. Not a fight. Hot. Putting the damper out. So now it's perfect. Put it on there. Perfect. We have to wait till it cools down. Let's see if it's perfect. Still good. I think I'll have to put it there. Done. This is the damper. It's so good. Ooh, bottom is like the tray, Bobby. Good. Now let's cut it. Yummy. Cut into more pieces. Yeah, that one.
Try.
Nice bread. Can you please get some honey? Not too much. Flowers.